Come!
That's so loud.
Nothing. Just bird watching today.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, he's zooming in on
Dude, that's actually greasy. Look at that kid. Take him! Dude, that first
Alex
shot
was
was
waiting for you to shoot him there.
yeah. Yeah, kill those. Ho ho ho! I didn't even see these.
More behind.
Take him!
Everywhere up front. Hey, there's one at one. Two running up front.
Hey, kill that one out front.
See the one?
Hey, 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 flock, 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 flock. Come! Yeah, just get down, get down.
Reloading.
Let's kill these three. When they do over top, okay, guys? Ready? Go! All right, get down. We got birds coming. Birds coming. Kill him! Woo! Yeah, we need to clean up.
Grab that one, that one.
Yep, I know. Kill him!
We got ours.
Yeah, more coming.
Oh, look at the flocks coming behind us.
Oh, and I think I dusted one like this.
Did you? Yeah. I didn't give you the shot. So.
Yeah, I shot.
All right.
The straight way back shot there.
Wow.
Out here retrieving birds. Look at this. Yep! Three for three, baby.
I shot two.
I shot 3 for 3 too.
I shot two.
Let's go!
We got one. I shot two of them. Well enough.
Yeah, hey, these ones are working. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32.
Sailed them.
6.
Oh, yeah, 4-pack. Right?
The fly over top, we're gonna take them. Yeah, get ready, guys. Ready? Now! Get that one, get that one! Nice. Ready, guys? Yep!
Yeah, I dropped one and I couldn't even see my barrel.
See, you can shoot with the stuff on it.
Let's go.
Holy cow. What do you got to say about that, man?
Pretty good.
Yeah. What do we have?
This is
right now?
unreal. I'd say about 60, maybe 55.
Yeah, look at this
I'll
massacre.
take that any day. Jeez.
It just was non-stop. We had 30 minutes of just chaos. We probably killed 30, 40 in that amount of time. And now we just had singles, doubles, little packs coming in. But yeah, it's been crazy. So, and then the easiest thing is I had a band land 7 yards away from me and we had a group do it out front. So I turned back and shot that one and yeah.
This is a massacre. Suicide mission.
Paisley, kill him.
Good one.
Woo!
Shoot your decoy.
Did you shoot Bolton?
Go.
Yeah.
You shoot Bolton?
No, I haven't shot one.
I thought you were going to shoot the other one.
Yo, that's
Oh,
Shit, I was about to
Dude.
smoke your decoy.
That's okay.
Paisley, I thought you were going to shoot him.
Oh, my gun fell apart. Dude, my gun fell apart.
Here, go get that one.
Here you go, here you go.
Is he going?
Kill him, guys.
That one died good, huh?
Yep. Hey, we're just packing up now. I'm in the truck going back, and I think we ended with 65 birds. It was a heck of a hunt. It was hot and heavy for like 30 minutes there. I think we probably killed 40 in that little bit of time. And then after that, we just had singles, doubles, small packs, just doing it dirty. Every single time they would just land in the kill. So heck of a hunt. yeah, and top it off, I shot that band at 7 yards that landed right to the side of me. So that was super cool. Gonna be hard to top this one for this early season, but yeah.